Welcome back to the Learning Studio, where we make law make sense, one video at a time. In this episode of our law series, we're exploring a behind-the-scenes but incredibly powerful branch of law that controls how governments work, administrative law. Don't forget to check out the full law playlist linked in the video description below. Have you ever applied for a driving license, passport, or construction permit? Have you seen someone challenge a government department's decision or face a delay in getting a refund or subsidy? All of these involve one thing: administrative law. It's the part of law that holds government departments and public officials accountable and ensures that bureaucratic power isn't misused. What is administrative law? Administrative law is the branch of public law that governs the actions, decisions, and procedures of government agencies and public authorities. It ensures that government bodies act within their legal powers, citizens are treated fairly and transparently, there is a legal remedy when the state makes a mistake. In simple terms, administrative law is the legal watchdog of public administration. Key features of administrative law. Some core principles and tools include: rule of law, no authority is above the law. Natural justice, everyone has a right to fair hearing. Judicial review, courts can review decisions made by government departments. Delegated legislation, rules made by authorities under powers granted by Parliament. Tribunals and regulatory bodies, special forums for resolving disputes with public institutions. It's the law that makes the government itself legally accountable. Historical context. Administrative law became especially important in the 20th century as governments grew larger, welfare programs expanded, and public bodies began handling more day-to-day affairs. To balance this increased administrative power, legal systems needed checks and balances to protect citizens. Today, administrative law acts as the bridge between individual rights and state power. Famous case study, Ridge v. Baldwin. In this landmark case, a police chief was dismissed from his job without being given a chance to defend himself. The court ruled that this violated the principle of natural justice, specifically the right to a fair hearing. The case reinforced that public officials cannot act arbitrarily, even in internal disciplinary matters. Fairness must be followed, not just in courts, but in every level of public decision-making. Why administrative law matters today? Administrative law affects how your tax return is processed, whether your visa is approved, what actions regulators can take against businesses, how complaints are handled in public health care or education, whether a protest can be legally banned or not. In an age where governments are more powerful and data-driven than ever, administrative law is the legal firewall protecting citizens' rights. What's next? If you're planning a career in law, public administration, politics, journalism, or governance, understanding administrative law gives you a major edge. It's not about theory, it's about real-life justice in action. In upcoming episodes, we'll dive deeper into tribunals, judicial review, government accountability, and more. You're watching The Learning Studio, and this is the Law Series, your space to learn how law shapes the world around you.